He was 17 at the time this officer's election occurred. He was a high school senior in his spring semester right before graduation. He was a very young man. You've heard he has no criminal history. He has a great family support, all this sort of stuff. Under normal circumstances, even if he had committed this crime, this is someone who's sort of in the range of possibly the court considering deferred adjudication. Having known you to be a defense attorney, a prosecutor, now a judge, I know that you've seen all sides of these coins for many, many years. When we take into account the fact that he denies this offense, that the state was kind enough to reduce this offense down and allow him to enter a plea with the possibility of deferred adjudication, even though we discussed many, many times both with him and his family about the prospects of possibly going to trial and maybe trying to fight this case, he decided that he suffers from anxiety himself. He's very, very nervous today. He's been shaking all morning, and it's obviously been a very nervous and uncomfortable time for him and his family. We would ask you to look at the big picture, Judge. And this big picture is this young man is denying that this offense occurred. We understand the state's position with regard to this complainant. We understand that this complainant has said some things. But remember, Judge, you've been in this job for a long time in all facets of it. And when you're dealing with witnesses this young, sometimes they are mistaken about things. Sometimes they do point the finger at the wrong person. Sometimes they do say things that are maybe exaggerated, perhaps. So based upon all that you have in front of you, Judge, given his wonderful family, his mother's just a wonderful human being, and I've gotten to know them quite a bit over this last year or so. And we would respectfully ask you to give him the opportunity to prove that he can do okay on your deferred adjudication. He's not going to break any rules. You will never see him on MTR. This is not the type of individual who's going to have any problems on probation. And because he is so nervous, Judge, that is why I chose not to call him as a witness. It's been difficult communicating with him this morning. He understands what's going on and stuff, but he's very nervous. He's very scared. Based upon all that, Judge, please give him that chance.
All right. So I just want the record to be clear. He is not requesting a jury trial.
He is not requesting a jury trial.
All right. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to deny your application, find you guilty. There is to be no contact with the complainant. Chapter 62 registration. $1,500 fine, time, and money right and current. As this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll let you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you very much.
Is there a victim impact or no?
There is, Judge, and mine is going to be.